how to do it. Let me show you how to do it.
Hi guys, so in today's video we're going to be taking a look at the Model S Plaid 2022, and we're going to be taking a tour from inside and the exterior and also the screen, and what comes with the screen. So the interior is amazing, so stay tuned for the full video, and we're going to be looking at this car in detail. So this is the Model S Plaid, the yoke missing the top, and that's the interior. This is all black. Keys are in there. Of course, this is a completely redesigned UI, which is pretty cool. Charging, open, close. Let's start from the controls. So pretty much the same as the old one, but you can do the mirrors, steering, wiper, all mirror, child lock, glove box. Oh, now you can record as you like to. Then you have pedals, show sports, and Plaid right there. Drag is strip mode. Never seen that on the other Model S's. Steering mode, auto turn signal, auto shift, to park, slip start, so that's different. And the suspension, you can see what options do we have. Oh, they have the dampening, ride comfort, handling. So in the older version, we only have high, medium, low, very high, but they have some other settings in there. Let's see what's in advanced. I think it's just depending on which one you select. Charging, you can see pretty much same stuff. Autopilot, the cruise, full self-driving, visualization preview, and all that looks pretty much the same. Locks, all these options are pretty much the same, just a different UI. Lights, that looks exactly the same. Display, appearance, touch screen, time, trips, navigation, all that is pretty much the same as well. Dash cam, so they have the dash cam, sentry mode, on and off, dash cam, auto, off, manual, service, and that shows the, well, of course this is the Model S Plaid information on the car. And they do have a software update 2021 44.6. And then at the bottom you have your phone controls, your same different apps. The camera, you still get the 3 view that you used to get on the older ones. That's a little bit different, you have the so they have the messages now here, which is pretty cool if you have your phone connected. I like that part. So theater mode, all that stuff is the same. So they have the FM radio, calendar, and of course the cool stuff here. And this is the front, the UI. That looks pretty cool. I like the entire design, how I don't think anything displays here, but this looks like a screen, so maybe in future something will be here. I'm not sure. I haven't driven it, I haven't tested it, so I don't think there is anything there yet right now. And there's a camera inside, right here. And the rest looks pretty much the same. I don't see a whole lot of difference. This whole thing is different. Of course, the door handles are, now you can grab it and then you have the push button open. So I kind of like that, they give you a little room to put the stuff in here. So they have the heated seats and the cool seats, so the leather looks much nicer, I think. I'm not sure how the white one will go with this, but I think overall I like it. It's a nice upgrade. So I think this is something you have to get used to, the yoke. It's just, a lot of people are used to having that top front, so it's different. But yeah, looks good. The good thing is this is all this touch. Let's look at it from the outside. So I'm not too fond of the rims here. The body is definitely wider. The door handles are all blacked out. And all the trims are blacked out, which is pretty cool. Headlights is the same. The front bumper is a little bit different because they have the different trims. The fog lights are different. The headlights are exactly the same. No difference there. Now, of course, this is a lot more wider because the rear fenders are a little bit wider from this side. So they had to take the camera out a little bit on the front fenders. So this fender is a little bit wider, and to compensate that, they had to put that camera. So that's pretty much it, guys. You know, this was the 2021 Plaid, and hopefully this video helps you guys make a decision. You know, this car runs about 130 to 150,000 depending on the options that you get, but I think overall it thumbs up. You know, like the car. Thanks for watching.